What's up, everybody? How are you doing? And welcome to another edition of Marketing with Dom, aka this is my favorite video to use because it's literally brought me so much wealth in 2020 because I've used these two exact softwares for SEO. I'm going to prove to you that 90% of my channel comes from Google and SEO based off of the fact of search engine optimization. And then I'm going to break down exactly how I use these things, and I think you should definitely write it down. If at any point in time you get excited like, yo, I'm ready to go, and you want the products that I'm using to actually has made me so much money in these niches, you can go down to the link below, and then you're going to be able to see both of the products that I use. One being vidIQ Booster, and the other one being the suite, right, which is the YouTube suite that I use to crack the code when it comes down to making money in this platform. And let me explain how it works. So let me go over here to my YouTube studio, and I'm going to show you the ins and outs of how much money I made from YouTube. Only like a couple $200-$300, but I built a full business on the back end of it. So checking out the last video live I did, let's go into the analytics, right? Most people don't really show you this, but I don't really honestly care because, you know, this is nothing compared to the money I make outside of this on products and services and things that I use. And well, let's search, let's look at reach. I don't know which one it is right now. I'm going to try to find it. Look at this. So compared to most of my external traffic we're looking at here, we're looking at a 40% of all of my traffic comes directly from Google search, which means I've beat the algorithm more than twice when it comes to being searched and found across the platform. Everything else can't even explain it, right? So Google search is pretty much all of it. And that's over the last 20 days. Let's look at it over the last 360 days, right? I started mostly this year, so you'll probably see a little bit of traffic, but end of the year, this is all February 2021. Like, look at this. It's crazy. And this is a single video, I think, too. This isn't all my videos, but this is just a look at this. It's all from the search engine. My SEO is flawless. So now that I'm done proving that I actually do what I'm saying I'm doing, I'm going to show you what I do and how I do it so that you can use it for yourself and that you can grow your own YouTube channel and make a bunch of money by finding more customers in your exact niche. You want to know where people come from Google is once they search for something and they provide it exactly. And it's the best way to make money. There's nothing like that, all right? So, and this isn't a single niche, and now I'm branching out right now to tell you this because I wanted to be able to teach other things. So let's get into YouTube as itself. You know what? This is video. I'm gonna walk you through the process of how I rank this video.
Welcome to
Sorry
Marketing
about
with
that.
Tom
Let's pause
and Gombo
this.
Ganger.
I'm gonna walk you through exactly what I'm gonna call this video. YouTube. And this is how I do it. And I just want to give everything away because it's a lot easier this way. YouTube SEO tools, because I'm SEO search certified, baby. Let's go with tools because I want to see what that competitor looks like. This is the research that I do that you're watching me go through so you can see the exact steps that I look at. Okay, cool. I knew this one was going to be ready because I shot this video and it froze on me a few times. But I was like, all right, cool. I'm going to give you what you need. So look at this. This is expressing to you that it's a high chance of being able to do it because in this space, there's not people doing the exact search that people are looking for. People are literally typing YouTube SEO tools, right? And all these people who are here killing it says research tools for YouTube, right? Here's the craziest thing about this. This is what I'm telling you. Tools for YouTube, right? Let's do this. Tools for YouTube. I'm showing you. Oh, my bad. You know what I'm saying? I'll be messing up. Tools for YouTube, right? That's how he positioned it at the end. So I'm going to show you just how terminology matters. Because if someone's not searching that exact thing, how are they going to find exactly what you're trying to say? You see this? You see this? You see this competition? This guy's killing it, but there's no one actually searching for that. So what I do is I look for actual words that are being searched, which is YouTube SEO. Okay, so YouTube SEO by itself, right? YouTube SEO by itself is highly searched, low competition. That's a really high keyword. Basically, this is telling me I have the opportunity no matter how big my platform is, and that's how I got into my niche, which is the OnlyFans niche. If you're watching me, the best YouTube videos in the game is by being able to get to what people are looking for. If you're just creating the videos and no one's looking for you, you're really just hoping that you get found off of hype. And I watch a lot of people do that, which is totally unfair. So let's break down these two platforms. And I'm trying not to make this video too long, so hopefully I don't bore you too much, right? So let's break down these two. This one tells me how to find things. Like, I'm searching for things, and it's telling me right now that it's 72. This is what you're going to be watching this video for. I'm watching these guys to see what my competition looks like so I can express exactly what it's going to take to look at the platform. Here we go. Competition means I'm in a battle. This is exactly what my page is going to be called. This is exactly what this video is going to be called if you're watching it now. So besides that, there's a couple other pieces that really, really destroy the difference. And this is the other number one product that I use right here, which is Video Blaster. Okay, I literally come here, right, and I want to go to this. I'm going to type in YouTube SEO tools. You know what, let's just go with YouTube SEO, because honestly it's way more powerful. It's a shorter term, and the stronger the short term is, the more powerful it is. So I'm just going to sit here and just let this thing do its thing, and it's going to generate my best opportunity to murder the SEO platform and to be in the search engine in this situation. See how it's saying Google phases? Like, here you go. This is something that all these other platforms don't do. I'm trying to be found on Google. Why do you want to be found on Google? Because when someone is looking for something on Google, they are ready to find what they're looking for. That's the thing. You have a better chance of selling someone that are coming from Google, like you are if you're watching this video, SEO, than you do selling someone who has never done that. And I'm being super truthful honest in here. Look at this. So it's going to tell me SEO YouTube tutorial 2020 ranking high, right? It's telling me that, so I'm going to use this one because I think this one's dope, right? YouTube SEO 2020, how to rank number one on YouTube fast. So hopefully I'm ranking. I need you guys to give me a thumbs up on this video right now if you've watched this for this long, because you're a true trooper. You really want to know how to use this shit. And I respect you because that's how you do business. And give me a thumbs up because honestly I need it to get on the boost of the algorithm. And for both of those, I really would appreciate you. From there, it does a couple other things. Suggested phrases. So this is really what the keyword is because people search for phrases and things like that, which you can get ranked here. Bam, YouTube SEO. I'll click on a few of these things, you know, just because I know that it is what people are searching for. This is and I'll use only a couple, usually on the top, and bam, let's do this one, because I want to edit this later, but I'm not going to do all that right now because it's just going to take too long. So then I'll go to tags, and it's going to tell me the number one tags here. Bam, tutorial 2001, SEO tips, 1.19, tools, free tools, you know, these are words that are being directly searched. People use too big of SEO words and they barely ever rank. That's not the case with your boy here. When I do a video and I find a niche that's just like this one, I rank heavily and it makes a big difference. So and this is how I built my six-figure business in the OnlyFans niche, is by finding this, clicking on it. You can seriously look on here. Look how many times I did it, right? Local SEO there. I looked up here. I went to OnlyFans hacks. OnlyFans number 7 time I look for it, 6 times I look for it, right? Because the algorithm's changing, what people are looking for is changing, so I'm trying to figure out what they're changing. I'm dropping videos. I dropped over 100 videos in the niche, and I'm the number one dude in the space. And now I'm showing you exactly how I built it, how I built my ranking in the space to get to the opportunity. Because if no one knows you, you can't be winning. You need to be known. So I'm going to cut the video out there. These two platforms create the multiple opportunities. So you need to go down below and click on both of these because you need them. You need vidIQ so you can see your competition and find the space where you can get in highly ranked and low competitions. Then you need this platform to use it for that exact reason, to then rank in a space and get all the keywords and things you need based off of search engine optimization for you to win on YouTube SEO. All right, it's your boy DB Live in the building. I appreciate you for taking this 10 minutes and watching this video. I'm going to be dropping so many more videos on the tools and things I use to actually grow my platforms and make more money on YouTube and really get to that point. Make sure you go down below, you hit the subscribe button, you comment, let's go if you've gotten to this point, because honestly, I like to give away the goods, and I try not to make them too long, so 10-minute videos are already long for me. I know you like things quick and easy, but both all the links and stuff are down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're really trying to make money in 2021, because I'm about to go insane on here. I'm about to be giving away so many juices, how I make $100, $200 a day, and how I really collab on that. I'll see you on the other side. Keep you doing what you're doing. Oh, sorry, I'm over here trying to stop it from the other side.